Hello, my name's David Lumb and I'm a personal injury attorney here at Darrell Castle Associates. I've got a family. I have 2 teenage boys and a 12-year-old. They take up a fair bit of my free time. They're all interested in sports. We attend the sporting events together. They all play in the band, so we go to band events. On my own, if I get free time, I like to read mystery novels. I became interested in practicing law almost 30 years ago. At the time, I was living in London, and I was thinking about becoming a solicitor, which is a type of lawyer in England. England has a bifurcated system. Barristers are advocates, and solicitors do everything else. That time, my wife was working as an archaeologist. She's from Mississippi, but was working as an archaeologist in Kingston. And she was offered a graduate teaching assistantship here at the University of Memphis. And I discovered I could do a law degree here. And if I qualified as a lawyer in America, I could do the work that both a solicitor and a barrister did. So it seemed advantageous to do that. I've always done personal injury work with workers' compensation and social security disability claims. But when I first started out, I worked for an insurance defense firm. That's a company, a law firm that represents insurance companies, and they defend insurance companies insured against claims brought by injured people. And when you do that type of work, it's all about money. The insurance company either doesn't want to pay the claim or they don't want to pay very much if they do pay. And so your job is to either avoid the insurance company having to pay or to limit the amount that they pay. Now, I did that for 2 or 3 years, and then I switched to the other side, which is representing injured people. And that works a lot different because with an injured person, you're dealing with someone who's gone through a traumatic event, an event which has often changed their lives. They've lost jobs, they've incurred large medical bills, and they've gone through this traumatic event, so it's a far more emotional thing for them. And so you see the other side of a personal injury claim, you see the human side of it, if you want, rather than just the financial side. And it's very different. Practicing from the plaintiff's side, the injured person side, every client has different issues. Every claim is different. That's the good thing, is that no 2 claims are the same. And each claim has its own problems, its unique issues, and it's identifying those, what's important to the client, and resolving those, which I think is the most enjoyable part of doing plaintiff's work. We treat each client as they would want to be treated, and we try to get the best outcome that's possible for each client.